bukuto pa te pamba ne be yel te pamba don tu ba ama ayel ka be dol conversation ma kaso kam yoro dine kaso kam disagree man sa ma kaso kam satma abang lala hal shabiyala ba chen but it's okay if I'm able to criticize the president. why would any other person be able to criticize me?
Okay.
Ama mambo to president no nyela ngo in yerla o yeto ashanga on nan kada ti cheka la yeto anan mazo katulu. There was a conversation where my time comes out makaman first time boka initiated la discussion. I first be party ngone kababondo Gabi.
Okay.
Lala fama be yalia nunguninya Ghana prime minister, unelected prime minister. Nirwo pam zanti no malia government wanna pam. Abang la na tilindo government ngo pune I tunshal government ma bento kara. Ati ya no rati yina inda the party nima na Ghana nimra na Akufu Addo nang reshuffle. Ka Akufu Addo zakse. Gabi ma dati nan tutu Ghanaians. In some social media zone yel ne Kaman niring man la Kaman Akufu Addo in reshuffle ma Ukraine Russia war ma yen chame be sidima yang kam krante ba dollar ma. In my view, I thought that it was the most stupid statement to make. So publicly publicly on Facebook so kanjina anti yolo an yer yeto shelngoma yeto ayul ka yer ngoma am papa ri shelngoma ru tuna yer la yeto because an habu so munya president ka wildra man ganda mal authority nang da yubu ngoma dana num vote ko tnya president ma ruzo I born te party ma mal nya volunteer election la yeto an ma yin challe yalbo na yalle na nda nya ko spam ban karatu mani ban ma no manguna akarma tumani aku yel manyina appointment aku fuadu appointera gana law woman nunguna appointera gana disappointera so appointment to disappointment mama kulam bagi malge.
Okay.
To ama son kapati ngoni yento nung yeto apati ngo pune katicho no cham lala Musah supiye nung be shadam butu de simsin so yale an yeto shelma de ben president nung be shadam butu de simsin be yelo vice president nung be shadam butu lala ka ba party because party ngoma sombu su party zaha collectively su party ma son kapati ngono sulen nyangso indin ya masaha kan at the time shall ambe position shall ma kan la party ma elevator party ma zang adula la position ma.
Okay.
Ama so su party ma nyangso so yeto ashanga man na yalma za believe me la yeto anma yamang le nyale.
Okay. Yeto ashanga yalma pune lo shel pol bien ka yele kwam ne lati de lare be de pabo the double ne ben shakam pahbu yeto in election year that one nito take ne kama hali in the heat of the campaign ara yina ta sable ka nwo ne kadama de at this period the tune labane nangda ka tana elections ngo ka sable but 90 MPs here to ashela ansabgo benda yina ta against the finance minister ne president yimu sashele ban pigo onda na kulchoko nye finance minister woman so nirbe la sabia kayera 90 MPs ngomanda yina woma you didn't join them why now kache
I'm not a mampa MP.
Yes, but you are a star in the party ara yina ti nzaga bayeto apai 90 MPs ngoma zo di partial drana and pass some weight.
No mampa MP. People should not get things right. Manete feel nebesha ama kind of oriata in private like you said ma as campaign man no go on ma in private so comes and make no submission didn't to know make it in boshaba and no wom zang yeto ama chang pamba ma san kapti de tutuma ama 90 MPs ma mampa MP I mean rai na ngoma there are nyela yeto shall ban feel and in fact abo konko but the whole Ghana felt that at the time shall Ken Oforiatta and Ranya finance minister ma oralanka used it ma Omiralanka used to party ma. Karichekate economy ma ne lasa kanung basa. Kabayina bammi la MP ni mama banang gilnung campaign ma because Akufu Addo kalul kam karabe. on that again the 275 constituencies maza ora chan constituency ora na kuto chan communities pa de ba nahi MPs the ngoma ngilugul kamza han to maximize votes ma ka piga president ma so dratu ne president respect ba
okay
abang lala biu bom borbe shama ko nangle to amora ali men ngon cousin bala no kuto kara ka at that time the president mama o mamang dami ne kaman on double occasion ma shama the sandla party ma yule ka sok kamza hanye yone ka biyala tamo ka asna ta ka ce ko biyan hali halta bol MP ne manati yelba ne kama antago ama IMF negotiation ma din na partial ngoma ai to the pala ben shadim vela do bice ka the first half of negotiation ngoma karana ka to ka basati karana ka to ni ma president angla very dishonest to the MPs and that was very very bad. Those who can oforiata or contribute immensely to problem shelters and
finance minister Kuro.
Kula finance minister Kuro can oforiata. O Piago no onda the finance minister Mashama. Grabang man kamangunya la politician ba. Grabang la kaman o family property nyale ko bable. Yama forestry. Youth in afforestation. Forestry Commission katukudwa ne pitu yomti ni ngo koza ase obi yo school feeding obi yora NAPCO obi yora wonum ngaza hangumi tra ngle meniti create opportunities for our people and the rest of Ghanaians kalabin ya harmani sa ni to tum dituma ka euro in fact obi yo NAPCO nim wa hale until cancel program ma kala NAPCO nim ma ka samle dualite before katnung election ngo NAPCO nung ma da pala ni mvusha banyer ye to shanga karnya la campaign ka banung ma against MPP just because besamle pika in fact la matna bi yol nai forestry belor nyama forest most of the forest bambe youth in afforestation ma most of them are MPP polling station executives abang la kabuku jolya yom yallo kala shall mean yale because the monthly allowance of 400 Ghana cedis in yale ki bubulgrima kabu yora kama ba shall den ma because yin kendo for atama abi chan shapolo tutum dutuma kabu euro ansai kabi ngo bien tum dutuma kabu yorba the minimum to pass 6 months 4 months kabu yorba is that how to I am running government basic things in the government karukunya la basic things ma akuto nangle then of course the government has become so useless so no wonder election shangaten no is a reflection of the government marshal to rozon da che kanda inati yal ne kaman la ya to anam ngoma zahadra paya ka nirma vote kaman ka bu vote ma
okay
I wum the ya to ashanga kaman oyulma nana kumia ora peti bizoyar ne kama no there ben ne John Muhammad ma ben significant because nothing near ben da be not to vote
zala jishanga be forcer me ne be ko la bi yara initial comments nyala wala zan changla nan simshel den nan da tetang ban wonma
ben bi azam bala salmin subon da undermine la the values to democracy maana teng by the government yela people government ka jilma birpu ne kati chanma to ashanga ban no de maza de mosleme ka saandele to amadille nya shamnyame MPP big government pune kati mal president kamal national security mal IGP kamal defense minister so banan to be make sure kalaban must stop it
okay
the president or mal responsibility to issue a public statement karukunya la kama o yalla yeto akayeto ama maliya o director or ministers ka make sure kala ma otherwise the man la kama there's a political vacuum karman la kama tin palaji tamshel ngo so bu Ghana meanwhile ten the party ma na the government pune
okay
people about the gazette la results ma electoral commission gazette la results ma ka ba hand over tenam na be government pu ne ben sha kam tin palaji tamshel ngo tenam na manir bu pam zama ne NDC dia ama Ghana law who ne ban big government pu ne
okay
MPP na big government so from now until the 7th of January ben sha in the thing bangwan zaha the MPP government and Akufu Addo be held responsible to rezo yeto ashanga den nang de kabe check up nang lungama bam ja zambala since the government is an stop it NDC ne ma tu ne ba yel ban nirba inde nyala shaban be ban in cheka ba nung la yeto anam ngoma za ban bi azam bal de pala ban sha dan jela sa an la gana yule because kana tan papa rishal ngoma te paya ka tunduanum sati democracy shall sanat nung ngoma te gulle jen yalanka.
Okay.
So make like direct national appeal to the president. Tinabo ko make a direct statement. Karmalia and to direct or national security minister or defense minister or interior minister. Yet to ashanga the nangoma but stop them.
Chief, unfortunately, under Tehran elections man chansham. And in that Dr. Bawumiya Shem Kayel ne Ghana nama de ba bande dagbang zasa but votum Dr. Bawumiya based on and in the credentials no bangsam on the to babatang banwama Shem. Piu tenda nang le anashara gole December da ba point delma. Drabe chang ambor le shama. Drabe chang yi wobgo party no bor le shama. Ghana nam da yina to as a different language. Yane former President John Dramani Mahama ka bebora. Are you disappointed?
Mama ndepuyala ma nang la disappointed. Ka Dr. Bawumiya nang disappointed. Ka the party ma supporters zaha nang disappointed. Because decision ma selmin bone me it was an obliteration. Ngmala kaman ben yisa ben shapa blackboard zo. Ka teacher kan ati zang desta nya de zala. Lala tipka NDC jitimao. Ka fibi ka ba de party ma. La dibma na jenang Kanango. So tole nang disappointed. So I'm a question ma the answer nyame non disappointed.
Okay. Ayina te sabe about Jibma din cheka Jibma na ba nanga nya assumption. Ka gbage Akufu Addo gwamnati ngoma vin yelenga agbale pa kwable. No nu pai bin yer shanga den chika gwamnati ngoma Dr. Bawumiya ntapa ya party karbin yen nasara shanga den yen ne vishale yin di ngoma dalir den ka yina ta sabla sabuma derbe tunafo
mani sali fo nguna tama agbabu na bore ta party ma ka bortin bamma to ne chande be shay derbe tunafo
okay
sobo tunafo nto wumya kabeto yera pambeto yera ne need to stop pointing fingers at each other. Let us stop blame games. Lie to Angoma, we shouldn't encourage it in a democracy. A democracy is all about conversation. You to I ka feel ne kama you to shall den nang ma, de ban right. De butu na chala sone. Inde bana you to ama de bian tuso, de bian peso ni saltane. Karo kunyala ayan yella you to ama ne biya gumale. The castle ni so yel na yella yeto ama because to adopt la democracy ka military regime pour ne ka soja na mbote them adopt democracy and purity leaders so you try nang a party pour ne be ting bamma pour ne bolay chekate opposition criticize the government publicly bolay cheka government nang be shaw ko opposition kati yerle publicly because the film ne kama lala ti encourage lala samban yet to ayel bungoma the chenmaka so comes and encourage ka join the conversation ma so it was proper that Kaman take la decision ma in fact can take la decision ma ba then learning probably ka a leading member of the party so I changed the platforms so ka chang Facebook so you see a number of Ghanaian people by your MPP ma ka ba sabre yeba in fact yera ngo sub gains baba I understand
yeah.
Democracy ni shambala. Dozo kan yina publicly. Until yer Ghanaians, ka yer MPP ni man ti hapuni ben sha adin cheka to lumbo.
Chief, democracy kama kule ngma de danfu ni shema. Democracy woman kadama de a party bi nam na ka ben yera be chen vin yela nyan are yele because an yele to ashango ngoma zasa. So ne yela ne kadama de dra tune ayele sahashele denda tuna ayele ne not after election so that so comes an ban kadama de no you have the people at heart as who be Ghana namni Akufu Addo ne zang de tangban ma chen shem ka passable zungoma ne dra tuna ayele sahashele denda tuna ayele
Matters that is la politicians and we're looking for votes Ye to ashanga ben he ran the campaign. Karanyala campaign puniki ranra. No, akuto ina publicly. Privately and advice like we did. Abang lala. Ye to ashanga ne yermaza privately. Some leading members of their party. And your campaign advisors mimbe ya. Rinda yelba. I understand ya. Amala at time manguna man board level man kuto ina publicly. Then to yerla yet to the time ma can discourage the party nima. Kaba feel ne come and we are not doing the right thing. I understand ya. So la yet to ama any political strategies. Abi yer la yet to ma denaya. Then now we've got to bring it out. Ka discussion mark. So means to go on like to widen discussion mark. We shouldn't and check so can make input. Because so comes a hamala one single vote. In fact, there is nobody at the party more important than any other person. The Zahamala one single vote. Tam mark when to vote, can malgo so voter bui. There's so come no important the party more pune. Tiang conversation ma ashlo pune. Ulakala nirma kabianto no join the conversation.
What efforts did you make as chief executive pushi youth ngoma be interest ncheka gwamnati bang na kama no manajilo shel polo ma nap kuma mal anfa na zante nirma so do tuni yoba ara make any effort
I time ya nyincha me Facebook wall.
Okay,
I could time nyincha me Facebook wall and to could take that time and lele nyanya mi yel to abe national yel to.
Okay,
and it was a public statement. Can that make it? Come on. Bukpang Martin election shall wama, Bukpang man kabi yonapko, yop national service. Last time a national service was tribal in arrears.
Okay.
So manda make little statements, ma. They will not just listen to you because the leadership but respected opinions.
Okay.
So they feel that Musah superior, you are nobody. This is only to be a wumta. And that make last it in Nakabuto no chant to yell near screenshot and send it.
Okay. Okay.
Apart from the public statement, I had contacted a number of very influential people parting Opune in Yelbala yet to Anama. This I shall go to. There is a make a statement publicly. Abang Lalabo, Kala, director government, advisor government, Nikaman, Lala Napkoma, the Tunabuale.
Okay. Then on some chief, I Karma a write up Shelan Sapma. I see that and ba one policy to the other. Kacheka so comes a habang bang karande asabungoma a readers bang kadamade. Elections ngoma ne chanshema is a verdict on Akufu nanadu danko Akufu gwamnanti. Acheka so comes a bangla. But strangely, party party the pune mbenya anything regarding party leadership. Are you saying that bang katale zanchande elections ngoma dembe chanve yelama?
No, but Matale. This is my first episode. In first Sabun Nabala.
Okay.
And I've got about 3 different. Sabla about party. Can answer about Dr. Bawumiya Rano campaign marsham and the people around him in the campaign. This is a Sablame.
Okay.
So no kuyara magba. Mbela party ba Sabune. Party ma yeto a Sabune ka gopa maka yisichan kep kustumo. Abanglala. To ama haina bodne ya nina pil sabusha ma. Iya mene kama party executive man, for probably they are the most incompetent group of people, but I mean lead the party.
Party executives.
The party executive, they are the most incompetent group of people, and I mean lead the party.
Are you talking about national? From national to the polling station.
The national chair, ma polling station mini constituency. Duroma yirla zosanante babama.
Okay.
So bandam sometimes they can blame abanglala. I'm an organization, Kaman Tolong Radio. If you have a chief executive who is very incompetent, it affects everybody in the radio station.
Okay.
So party executive, the national chairman, general secretary, national organizer, they are the most incompetent group. Because they are there without a plan. They don't do any work. Because Nabila the Sabupune. How is it that a general secretary of a party, somebody when a general secretary of their party, can you secretary to the steering committee of their party, is seeking to become an officer in a campaign? Every party comes a committee. Every committee of their party is under the instruction of the steering committee. Kabozo Kabiti and former campaign team. Can you general secretary of their party? Kartiza mane kama nyembinya coordinator of a campaign. You are a director of operations of a campaign. Are you then telling me that each campaign meeting, the manager of the campaign, you then become somebody who will not sit at the high table? The manager of the campaign, man, high tables, a whole general secretary of the party. The whole national organizer of a party. Kacha to Makachan, the running mate of the party.
So
is that the way to work?
Chakatinyani nesimni mane chief. Abo na ye kadema de party secretary, party general secretary, national organizer, beka business never joining campaign team, national campaign team.
Absolutely. Especially the general secretary. Yamate party la national executive committee. Kamal National Council, Kamal National Steering Committee. In fact, Kamal National Conference. National Conference, ma dinkati la andi chen kamanti in kanata malent kaso kam kana constitute kaso kam kana katebala.
Okay.
Many the highest decision-making body of the party. In the absence of the National Conference, National Executive Committee, because once a year, sometimes twice a year, kat landa. I'm a national executive, national council, bananzea, because I'm can to land. National council, national executive committee, empire. National executive committee, national steering committee, empire. Now, the national steering committee, banan institution shall be partner and run the day-to-day program of the party.
Okay.
And they got their powers from the national executive committee. Now, Nika National was the general secretary of the party. Mumenyala groups mazan her secretary. The committee shall come down, her group shall come down, then be party open. You are under the national steering committee.
Okay.
Campaign team, bumbo, committee shall come down and party open. You are supposed to be under the instruction and the directive of the national steering committee. The national steering committee, man, general secretary, the administrator of the party at the party headquarters.
Okay.
There is what the plan to fight na chang to be Shepolo in several. So being under somebody, you are undermining the quality of the role of the general secretary. Tabanglela. But campaign team, kapi opariansa. Somebody you defeated in an election.
Okay.
In fact, in that election, la opariansa ma hunenda di last. That defeat election, kapi go campaign mo. Can you chant lobby be ulakan and director of operations of a campaign under opariansa? No, you are general secretary. So in Indian campaign, my big baby shakam that they've got to come to the party headquarters and have a conversation. Ki direct campaign ma dun to the campaign ma changshan.
Okay.
Okay. Mal campaign, you can run the campaign without a party. That is absolutely wrong. General secretary, national chairman, because steering committee membership, steering committee it comprises the president, the vice president, in some cases, chairman of council of elders, majority or minority leader, depending time whether the Bela government be all elected members of their party. It is one of the most powerful organizations in their party. One example, I'm to Azaka Yer Sambane. One example, Dr. Bawumiya Peace FM. Until Dirshila. Kabu Kaman. To Umian Zangla tax e-levy. Dr. Bawumiya, Kwame, the Yala Yetwa. Then Bawumiya Pamfara Bianpa. Nirma Kalre. So Tilanzang e-levy now. I'm just Zambala, then check up Fakarma Kare. Karkose. Lo tikala niya. Ko yelle ka the whole world. 2-3 weeks time the ka program start na bazang 11. Ma vikarlan bala. Hal ida malania on da yelle ma.
So because vice president yelle so government ma de implement if be technical ma de denian song baktang ban ma babu. E-levy is one of the worst policies we have introduced. So Dr. Bawumiya was right. Dr. Bawumiya was 100% right. Okay.
Because like e-levy, we are still struggling. In fact, then that projected nothing you last year. If I figure my concern, you then that projected nothing you last year. Karlanche ka fakar ma In fact, I live my check electronic transaction. Need to pamblam board never known. Because I'm a be a mobile phone. Come to Halorma, you hear me?
Okay.
Abang amai gobla sur na ku bora tensi di kaya ha tensi di chant da en double show. Ama dan tensi di chant double show karbe ileb ma pon. Biandela MTN be Vodafone be service providers ma biandela be charges. Ka government land taxa. Bole check ati Dr. Bawumiya yel no kano yele. Ka Jo Mahama bara yel no kano yele. Because bezada lele me karnya tax yele adnya draconian tax. La tax ngoma de kabukata de kuto something bama. So one example, I respect the Kamino Bianica, at Kaman, Aku undermine. Hal Oyala yet to up, Hal Iribon in Nuleba, the two need take time. So Labi Yarumaza, there are other things. Karanyala Kama, and Dango, people and Invosha Banyo, close family members to Akufu. They are unelected, they are not members of parliament, they are not cabinet minister. Karanyala Jaine Banan directed the affairs of this country.
La. Bepa MPs, bepa ministers. Kabiane kanya bani yang wutung ban wadun tun rechange.
Kabiane yeto ashanga dun to Kaman Gabi for example. Mabja ini o sabr yeto ashanga karanya yeto ama government yeto anambala o business mbala. Akala la business. Na sabr la yeto anamma. Yeto ashel din ye government yeto akanyam pun yel yeto. Akala la business na sabr le. Toruzugo make sure in cut la mistake in the party was unchanted so we disrespect the party. So in board presidential candidates now, we've got to be careful. It won't work for us. The board like humble people. Can respect the party man.
Okay.
Humble.
Chief Nekanani Mane, but Charlie has Shanti region. Ashanti region, tum getting banwapuna, ye party ma you lemon wogo. Tazahami to so comes a hundred tautre region shell and never stronghold. I live NDC. Volta region yell have a stronghold. Tijia Sashel, but absolute control of Volta region. Ashanti region, Kibone le Wabugo party ma ni stronghold. Ashanti region, Tijia Sashel, you lose la seat 1117 to the main opposition. What is actually the problem? Anku yele to ashangoma zaha. Didn't problem ma be shell na bien makata bamile.
There is nothing else than Kubala. There's a referendum on Akufu Addo and his government. No style of leadership.
Even when Napo from the Ashanti region.
Napo was a bad choice.
La?
Napo, in fact, Napo choice, it was so inappropriate. So it didn't matter. We'll come along and have a conversation about it. Time he permitted it.
Okay.
His communication skills is poor. Or body language is poor. Or he doesn't respect space. I understand. Yeah. So after Napomuna, we can discuss him later.
Okay.
Ama Ashanti region issue ma. Okay. Didn't verdict on Akufu Addo ma.
Okay.
Because the argument people are making is that they never have not to vote. To support this man, that be not to vote. So to support this man, they be not to vote. Ma, bole check be not to vote. I assume that several reasons that check be not to vote. They feel that party ma bavian yalanga. They feel that nimvusha bandi wahalati party ma region ma punma babunya amfane shale. They also, mami, the nerve center of business in Ghana, Kumasenyale. Business people, economy market, but running properly in their view. So these factors was Zahan cannot pay the office. The Dankwa Institute. It's all nonsense. It's nonsensical. They can't be. Mule kunya gabi halaka kuya nzante party mo full party. In chang winjing be office. In chang the activists. Nibi an call late la results. Ne Dankwa Institute. Now board number 16. So we've given out the party to the government. The government ma mean the yubo. Toruzola analysis ma de bianpam until katiche yeto irin eye service ama biaine so kan board la of course so kan board la ama lagrin dunya za. Nisho ma manage ma lagrin life. But I've been living a very good life. Abang lala. I live a very good life. Now only to my man pa now. Yamal ma is an yell me because man kakuri man najim bor. When she adam pamben man boborle. And those all the sense the party nama kabi chia to ashanga kasok amza higher yamang little party mo pune. Wallahi dani chika. We need people like Stephen Kreku, EJ Darocha, Odoi Sykes, Araya Lassan, Alaji Salif COP. But types got the border party mo pune. Banalang Kanka party mark Bargama. All the elders of their party, they are like women now. Yes, so that the president can do what he wants. It doesn't work like that. Akufu, the party won't elevate or to be position shall know him, and therefore he has to respect the party.
Okay.
What stops Akufu from saying that 1 year to the elections? Orubol document look. And the failure Kaman election woman and strategy nyame. Mbona take over as president. And therefore I will resign. Eyal ne Kaman kala fi. I had not the elections.
Okay.
If you ask it, ka book party ma halentile lame duck president. Lame duck. So you see a lame duck. President se ngumbian kalan kapawa kaka authority. Ka book la halentile lame duck. Dr. Bawumiya nira yer ye to ashango ma zanha or dale president or I implement la policies ma. The time ma denan galvanize Ghanaians.
This are 1 year to elections.
1 year to election, maybe think that could 2020 early 2024, maybe January, February, March. Kari net yelia doc kam ko kana ka yelo to mangbani no sham song ambo ya handler government na ka zan 1 year ngoma idea shanga za amal ma zan idea ma eshiwili katinya na oni entumo tumasha o jimu no hale take a transitional team into make statements o jimu hale it was strategically not correct. He should have stood down. Akufu Addo should have stood down. Kazan leti Dr. Bawumiya. If he really meant business, or that board should be elections, woman.
Okay.
Then allow me who here now to resign and Akalafi and to resign be the leadership zone you board na late president. Kazan leti Bawumiya.
Okay.
About the late president. Arete had 1 year shall bow and late president now to form shall hankal shall government won't know undermine Dr. Bawumiya, make you useless.
Really?
I'm telling you.
Government will undermine Dr. Bawumiya.
I am telling you. If he will say it, I will say it.
What do you mean? Boka government man.
Come on, how? Will I can never adanka ye tum la 247.